Ever wondered how professional traders predict market reversals with precision? The Parabolic SAR, developed by J. Wells Wilder Jr., is a popular technical analysis tool used to determine the direction of an asset's momentum and the point at which this momentum has a higher than normal probability of switching directions. Let's dive into how you can trade effectively using the Parabolic SAR. The Parabolic SAR, or stop and reverse, appears on a chart as a series of dots positioned either above or below an asset's price. When the dots are below the price, it's a bullish signal indicating an uptrend. Conversely, when the dots are above the price, it's a bearish signal suggesting a downtrend. Imagine trading a stock where the price has been rising steadily. As long as the Parabolic SAR dots remain below the price, the uptrend is confirmed. Once the dots flip above the price, it signals a potential trend reversal, suggesting it might be time to sell. Most trading platforms come equipped with the Parabolic SAR indicator. Here's how to set it up. Navigate to your charting software and locate the indicator section. Select Parabolic SAR. The default settings are usually a step of 0.02 and a maximum value of 0.2. These can be adjusted based on your trading strategy and the asset's volatility. As J. Wells Wilder Jr. stated, indicators must be tested and adapted to suit your trading style and the specific market conditions. Using Parabolic SAR for entry and exit points. Entry points. For long positions, enter a trade when the Parabolic SAR dots move below the price, indicating the start of an uptrend. For short positions, enter a trade when the dots move above the price, signaling a potential downtrend. Exit points. Close your long position when the dots move above the price. Close your short position when the dots move below the price. Example: suppose you enter a long position in a forex pair when the dots are below the price. You can ride the uptrend until the dots move above the price, signaling it's time to exit the trade and secure your profits. Combining Parabolic SAR with other indicators. While the Parabolic SAR is powerful, combining it with other indicators can enhance its effectiveness. Common combinations include moving averages to confirm trend direction and strength, relative strength index or RSI, to avoid false signals by ensuring the asset isn't overbought or oversold. Simple tip: combining the Parabolic SAR with the moving average can filter out many false signals, providing a more reliable trading strategy. Risk management with Parabolic SAR. Effective trading isn't just about entry and exit points, it's about managing risk. Use the Parabolic SAR to set stop-loss orders. For example, if you're in a long position, set a stop-loss slightly below the current Parabolic SAR dot. This helps protect your capital if the market moves against you. Mastering the Parabolic SAR can significantly enhance your trading strategy by providing clear signals for trend reversals and helping to set precise entry and exit points. Remember, no indicator is foolproof. Always combine it with other tools and maintain a robust risk management plan. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always conduct your own research and consult with a professional financial advisor before making any trading decisions. Please subscribe if you enjoy this content. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.